close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll...
Hey guys, good morning. It's around 10 a.m. in the morning, so I had ordered some goods from town, so this is the time I've received my package. Yeah, so I just want to unbox with you and see what I got. Yeah, till the end of this video, hope you are going to stay tuned and see what I got, guys. Let's unbox together this gadget, guys. Yeah, it's amazing gadget. Yeah, so yeah, if you're new, my name is Adija. I'm a mom of three. I'm a Kenyan YouTuber based in Nairobi. I does content basically around my home, that is cooking, cleaning, organizing, monthly shopping hauls, and a bit of lifestyle. So today is on a Monday. So I just want to unbox with you that gadget, guys. So if you are new, karibu sana. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming and supporting my content. So feel most welcomed, and let's unbox together, guys. Yeah, so I got this gadget yesterday. I ordered it yesterday and on Sunday, and today is on Monday. I've received my package very early in the morning around 10, you guys. Yeah, so the package is all about a ring light and a tripod, guys. Yeah, for my previous videos who watched me, I said that my phone holder broke, and now I didn't want to buy another phone holder because it has been my trend, the phone holder just breaking and buying another one. This time around, I decided to get a tripod with a ring light, guys. Yeah, so that is what I'm unboxing with you guys here. So some small wins. Yeah, I want to mount this gadget. So that is the tripod. That is the tripod stand, and then that is the ring light and those other stuffs, guys. Yeah, so yeah, it has been a while. I think this is my second tripod since I started YouTube. Yeah, and it has come with that cable for power. We'll just be putting for changing lights here. You just plug it on the switch. Yeah, you can see the plug has those two plugs, you guys, and then that one, well, it is where you are going to connect with the ring light, and then it has that phone holder, you guys, and it came with one microphone, an added advantage to me when I'm doing I'm recording while vlogging. And then it came with a remote that can change the lightings, minimize, decrease, increase the lighting and the lighting that you want. And then it has that for camera, if you connect with Bluetooth, you can just be using that one to take pictures, guys. And then there is that holder for joining the Bluetooth and the joining the ring light and the tripod, guys. Here, that cable is long, so I think I'm sorted. So allow me to just mount it, and then we'll see the final results, guys. Here, I wanted to share with you. You can see like I'm using a book to put the phone so that you can see what I got here. That is what came with the full ring light and the tripod, guys. Here, a remote, a microphone, a camera, Bluetooth, and that is a Bluetooth for camera. So you just connect with a Bluetooth in your phone, and then you take the cameras when you are seated comfortably in your couch, you guys, making work easier for taking pictures. Yeah, so that is what came with that package. Yeah, so I mounted it, and that's the final results, guys. Yeah, so I'm happy for the small winnings. I've been struggling, like really struggling. Yeah, and I was getting bored because shooting without a tripod is chaotic to me. Yeah, so the remote is working. I'm just going to get it some batteries because I'm using my TV remote batteries here. You can see you can change colors, the one you want. Yeah, so that is how it's looking. I'm just happy for myself for this new gadget. So hope you have enjoyed. Hope you really love the ring light here. And it's in the afternoon, just a lazy afternoon, guys. So I just removed the beddings in the morning and I decided to give the nanny to clean. So it's time, I've gotten time to make the bed. Just my lazy afternoon, you guys. Today I'm not feeling like doing anything, but you know what, I cannot sleep in a bed without beddings. Despite today my body is not that okay, I don't feel like working, but yeah, so I rested up to afternoon. After mounting the tripod, I rested. I ate lunch and rested. So this around 3 p.m. in the evening. So I just want to make that bed, guys, because I don't like inconvenience of coming the bedtime and the bed we have not made. So I usually make it early so that my sleeping can be easy. I don't like making bed during my sleep time. Yeah, so it's just all about making the bed and resetting this bedroom. Not a deep reset, but just a reset you so that it can just look comfortable. Yeah, so that is how the bed is turning beautiful and clean, you guys. Yeah guys, so yeah, that is just a lazy afternoon for me, guys. The kids are at school, so it's my nanny, and I usually give my nanny so many breaks. If she finished her work, she usually rests in the afternoon. Yeah, and I don't allow, my nannies don't enter my bedroom. They don't make my bed, so that is my duty. So after relaxing and watching, because the weather is very cold outside, guys. Yeah, so the bed turned out very clean and beautiful, guys. Yeah, so that is how my afternoon is looking. Yeah, just a lazy one. Yeah, so I want to vacuum, guys, because I started with making the bed. I wanted to vacuum the floors. I cleaned the floors like 2 days ago. Yeah, I don't clean every day. I don't clean my floors every day because this house is very cold, you guys. Yeah, we live near mountains and hills, so I guess the cold is from those places, guys.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, I'm just wound up with our cleaning today. Yeah, so I decided to just give the whole bedroom cleaning touch-ups here. Just making everything just look clean, dust off everything and wipe everywhere, guys. Yeah, so it was just a lazy evening, a lazy afternoon, so I decided just give the entire bedroom a evening reset, guys. So that is how the room is looking. Yeah, I have not cleaned, as just vacuumed and wiped the dust everywhere using a wet and arranged everything. So yeah, I'm done with the bedroom. Everything turned out very clean and beautiful and well arranged and organized, guys. Yeah, I was just feeling lazy this day. And in the market I got mains for githeri, and then I got minchi, that is peas, and then I got tomatoes for 100 shillings, guys. Yeah, I just went randomly to take my phone there, and then I just got those stuff. So you can see my vegetable area is not that empty. We still have fruits, we still have potatoes, onions, and yeah, fruit. So I was just restocking the tomatoes because we usually take tomatoes a lot in this house. Yeah, so that is how I just restocked the little things we didn't have. I was craving for githeri. Yeah, so I got the mains. That is how the place is looking. Yeah, and then the side, my kids requested for a pancake. So it has been a while since I cooked pancake. I think the last time I cooked pancake in this house was on April, you guys. So they have missed it enough. So I said enough is enough. So I'm going to make them. When they come back from school, they are going to have, and then tomorrow in the morning. So I'm making many pancakes for till tomorrow's breakfast. Yeah, so today I'm using my electric and mixer. Yeah, it really makes everything just look easy when it comes to cake baking or pancake making. So I'm done with the flour of the pancakes, so I just want to cook them over there, guys. So if you're new, my name is Adija. Just give this video a like. Tell me what you think about this a lazy afternoon. Yeah, so it's my a lazy afternoon to evening routine, guys, because right now it's around 4:30 and the kids have not yet arrived. Yeah, they learn in different schools. So my big boy will just come, usually come at around 4, but today they have lated, they have exams. And then my toddler will just come around 5:30 to 6. Yeah, so they'll find everything is ready. So yeah, I usually start cooking my food in this house at around 3:30, so that when they come out from school, they can just eat one meal. If they feel like sleeping, they can sleep, guys. Yeah, so by 7 p.m. in the evening, we are done with dinner in this house. Everyone is fully packed. They have already eaten, yeah, and they are ready to sleep. So I usually cook very early because of my kids, you guys. Yeah, I don't like that inconvenience of the kids coming, they sleep before the food is ready. So we cook early. So by 4:30, our dinner is always ready in the house. So that is my principle when it comes to dinner making. So I'm done with cooking the pancakes, and they turned out so very well, guys. It's just flour, eggs, and sugar, and some salt and cooking oil. No more spices. You can see there are many. They will take us up to tomorrow morning. So hope you've enjoyed the vlog. Tell me what you think about it, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye bye, lovelies. Support, like, comment.